In this video, we will learn about a hazard classification of chemicals. So class 1 explosive chemicals. So for example, tetranitrotoluene, tetrazools, these are the class 1 chemicals, comes under class 1. So the symbol is orange color diamond with this picture followed by 1 rating. Class 2 compressor gases, like they are under sections A, non-flammable, non-poisonous, non-corrosive gases. This is the symbol for non-flammable, non-poisonous, non-corrosive gases, and for example it is A, nitrogen. B, poisonous gases. Poisonous gases symbol with skull and crossbones, and example it is HCN. And flammable gases indicates it's a red color diamond with fire symbol, and the example is hydrogen. Oxidizing gases circle over fire, and for example chlorine. These are compressed gas cylinders, so which identify this symbol. And coming to class 3, flammable liquids. All flammable liquids comes under class 3. So this is a class A. Many of the solvent tankers they having this label. So petrol tanker, everything. And the example toluene, methanol, hexane, and diesel petrol, these are all comes under class 3. And coming to class 4, flammable solids. In this A, flammable solids, this is the all organic solids. These are comes under A, and B is spontaneously combustibles like nickel. These are all spontaneously combustible. Coming to substances that on contact with water emit flammable gases, like this is the symbol. And sodium, example for sodium hydride, okay, and sodium borohydride. These are all comes under flammable solids and water reactor also. Hazard classification of class 5 comes under A, oxidizing substances. Oxidizing substances, KMnO4, these are all comes under oxidizing substances. The symbol is circle over fire, okay, and organic peroxides, and that also comes under class 5. So H2O2, diisopropyl ether, these are all comes under organic peroxides, okay, circle over fire. So class 6, toxic poisonous chemicals. The symbol is skull and crossbones, and for example bromine. It's a good example for class 6 toxic poisonous chemical. And in the subsection, infection and biohazard is also there in class 6. This is the indication. So microbes all are comes under class 6 of B. Then class 7, radioactive substances. So uranium, thorium, these are all comes under class 7. And class 8, corrosive chemicals. This is the symbol which indicates corrosion, like bromine, caustic soda, H2SO4, HCl. These are all comes under class 8. Finally, class 9, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous comes under this symbol. Other hazardous property substance, if any, comes under class 9. So some of other hazardous symbols dangerous for environment and aqueous life all the animals, this comes under this symbol. And dangerously reactive material, is there any dangerously reactive material, that also in that time comes under this symbol. And water reactive chemicals, so when we are adding to water, so it will be react vigorously. In that case, so this sodium hydride, sodium borohydride, these chemicals will come under this symbol. And harmful irritant, this is the St. Andrews X symbol, cross symbol. Okay, the so finally, thank you.